Very happy morning, students. We are ready with our fourth chapter, that is business service. So here in this chapter we have already discussed about the functions of bank a little bit, why the bank is termed as debtor as well as creditor. Now we are going to discuss about some other thing which is related with the banking, but not directly through the questions only. We have to first see the question and then we will find out about what we are going to discuss. Okay, let's see the question now. Discuss the type of bank account which aims at providing service to businessmen. So here one thing which we have seen, that service is for businessmen. They are not talking about the common people. They are talking about businessmen. They are providing service to the businessmen who make and receive payment through banking system. Now we have to first of all understand about what they are talking. So obviously when we are talking about service, making and receiving payment, what they have done, make and receive payment. So obviously monetary transactions is there. So here whenever we are talking about monetary transaction, either we will deposit the money or withdraw the money. When we are talking about depositing the money, there are different options present in front of us. For example, if I say fixed deposit account, those people who want that their money is not required for time being, they can keep it safely for longer duration. They can keep the money in their FD account, fixed deposit account, and in fixed deposit account, the rate of interest is comparatively higher if you compare it with other types of accounts. When you are going to open the bank account, basically we are getting the option of fixed deposit account, savings account, current account, and new concept is already evolved there, that is related to multi-option deposit account. So here first of all, if we want to keep our money safe for a longer duration, if you don't want for time being, what we can do, we can open an FD account and we can deposit money and we can keep it as FD for a longer period, obviously more than 1 year. So no doubt the rate of interest is higher here, but one thing is there, if you withdraw the money before the due date, some interest can be forfeited. You will get your principal amount, but maybe if the bank has promised you 8% interest, bank will provide you 5% also, because you have just broken the amount before maturity, you have taken the amount before maturity. So this is one problem you may face. Savings account is already there. This is again for a common people. FD is also a common people, is for common people. Saving account is already for common people. Actually what happens in saving account, suppose if I am a working person and I have to deposit money in the bank, when I will deposit? Whatever extra money I will have, that only I can deposit. So in this case, saving account is specially open for those people who may get extra money at the end of the month or in the beginning when the salary is coming. A few part is being kept aside and they have decided to keep it in the saving account, so that in future whenever it is required, they can withdraw the money from there. Because in FD account there is one limitation, that if we withdraw the money before maturity date, some interest can be forfeited. So saving account is one option. This is again for the common people. But if you see the question here properly, this is for businessmen. So now the third account which comes to us, that is current account. Actually, current account is open for the businessmen. Because when we talk about businessmen, lot of transactions are required to be performed by them. Every day something can be purchased, something will be sold, and the transactions are being done through the bank. The check will come, we have to deposit the check in the account. Sometimes the check will be signed and will be given to our creditors and all. So a lot of transactions are going on, and with the help of bank only these transactions will be completed. So obviously for making and receiving payment, we are utilizing bank, businessman is utilizing bank. So here we are basically discussing about current account. Neither fixed deposit nor saving account. This is current account, and those businessmen who are really good, whose past record is really good, who has opened the current account and every time the transaction is being done with the help of current account, bank is also providing one special facility to them. The facilities of overdraft facility. Suppose in your account you are having 10,000 and you are a good businessman and suddenly you require 15,000. So bank can provide you certain overdraft facility. That means we can withdraw more than amount what you have deposited. Okay. So this type of facility is basically provided to the businessmen who are having the current account. Overdraft facility. No doubt for these facilities bank will charge something, but that is obviously required by the businessman. It may happen that we don't have sufficient amount in the account and we need extra amount. So this is one thing. So here when you see this question, basically in this question the type of bank account which is discussed, this is current account. Okay. So whenever you are getting such question, your work is to first understand about different things what is being asked and discard those things which is not connected and then come to a conclusion. Here the main hint was businessman, and through that only we came to the conclusion that obviously for the smooth conduct of business, current account is required to be opened. Hope so the question is clear. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.